Okay, let's rip into mean and variance in a binomial distribution. Remembering that we have a formula in our formula sheet just for the binomial distribution. Mean is NP and the variance will be NP1 minus P. So here I'm rolling a die 20 times. How many sixes would you expect to be rolled? So that's sort of part A and part B. How many sixes would you expect? So that's expected value. The expected value is mean, which is NP, which is 20 times 1 over 6, which is 3 1/3. What's the standard deviation? Bit of a trick. We also know generally that standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So we need to find the variance first. Variance equals NP1. Whoa, can't write now. NP, which is just going to be 20 on 6, 1 minus 1/6, which is 2.78. Therefore, sigma will be the square root of that. I don't know what that is. 1.67-ish. Okay. So we're not making much out of this. It's just two rules. We're just going to use the rules. Virus is spreading through a population of cute bunnies. Oh my gosh. And the likelihood of death for the poor little bunny is 90%. Out of 1,000 cute bunnies, there's heaps of them. How many would you expect die? Oh my gosh. That's a terrible question. Who wrote that? It seems like a silly question, but we should really be using a rule. Expected value is mu equals NP, which is just 1,000 times 0.9, which is 900. That even makes sense. 90% are going to pass on to a better place. Here we go. Given. We need to understand that N is 50 and P is 0.8. It's just a code. The B stands for binomial. And we need to find the expected value and the variance of. And that should be Z, shouldn't it? Because that's Z anyway. Is mu, which is NP, which is 50 times 0.8. Oh, why did I need my calculator for that? My expected value is 40 and my variance is NP1 minus P, which is 40 times 0.2, 16. Did that in my head, you better check that. Okay. Easy, simple, applying the rules. Oh my gosh, there's one more, I think. We've been told a standard deviation with 10 trials, so N equals 10. Standard deviation is 0.8. What is the probability of success? So I need to find P. And I know that P is bigger than Q. We've seen that before, haven't we? P equals, okay, let's go, well, sigma equals that, and so there we go, the variance of X will be sigma squared, and I know also NP 1 minus P, so we can just go. Why do I always write P first? Okay, sigma squared, so 0.8 squared equals 10P, 1 minus P. Oh my gosh, that looks like a N solve. So P will equal 0.07 or 0.93. There's more decimals there if you want. And clearly, because of the hint, it's more likely, success is more likely than the failure. We're going to go with P is 0.93. So again, this is one of the easier chapters. That's it. No more questions. That should get you through. Make sure you do all of them.